Alright guys, so this is what it looks like before. This is Gertrude's house. Here's how our door opens and shuts. You gotta manually come out here and do this. That way she doesn't get out during the night or anything get in. But we're about to unbox our automatic door opener. Let's see what we get. So here's the box. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so here's everything in the box. Comes with our instructions, and then solar panel, and then here's our actual roller upper closer thing, like the actual mechanism itself. Here's a remote. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and attach our side mounts together. So all I did was slide the sides up into the main unit, and then I put this metal bar across the bottom there, and we're gonna screw those in real quick. Alright guys, so we're going to mount this right here. So in the instructions, you're supposed to have a hole cut for this thing to sit in, and then you're going to fasten it down the sides. But I didn't want to cut a hole in my coop because my laying box is like so close right there. I didn't want to have this protruding inside onto the chicken. So it just depends on your coop and whatnot. But now we're going to put screws all in these screw holes right down through here on each side, 4 on each side, and then we'll bring it back. Alright, now we got it mounted. We're going to go ahead and plug in our solar panel. That way it can charge. And the neat thing about this is it comes with its own deal to where you can stake it into the ground. That way you don't have to drill holes into your chicken coop. And so we're just going to push this off in the ground right over here. So I use my screwdriver to tighten the screw to hold this part into place. We need it to be in this slot. Alright, now that I got it in the right slot, that way it will collect all the sunlight, hopefully. We're going to unwind this, and they give you plenty of cord, so if it is in a shady spot, you could really reach out, get to the sunniest part. But now we're going to let it charge up a little bit, and we'll know it's charging because this thing will be blinking right here. It's on right now, blinking. I don't know if you can see that or not, but now it's doing stuff. Alright guys, so now we let it charge up a little bit. We're going to hold the power button. It's going to turn on. And then you can manually hit the button to close, and it'll close. There you go. And then you hit the button to open it. Alright. And then, okay, there's a dog deterrent button. And it'll send out a high pitch frequency. So this will set your timers to open and close. The green button will set the timers for the open and close. The blue one will set your actual time, like what it is, whatever, 3:45 in the afternoon, whatever it is. And you can use the remote control that it comes with as well to activate all these features as well. So you charge the remote by using a USB Type-C. So charge it up, and then you can use it as well. It has all these settings right here. You can set it to where it's like daytime predators, nighttime predators. That way it'll sit there and put off that high frequency pitch noise during the day or at night. And it's really easy to install. The instructions were very clear and concise. Highly recommend. Thanks guys.